Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahima Jha, and in this video I'm going to talk about the 5 habits which might be holding you back. So if you have chosen this video, you are at the right video because you kind of want to know what are those habits which might hold someone back. So but before that, you make sure that you have hit the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. It will help me to grow. And if you are a personal growth enthusiast and want to know about psychology and personal growth and productivity, please make sure that you have hit the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's start this video. So those 5 habits are: number 1 is overthinking trap. So overthinking is very natural. If you're an overthinker, then you are human, because we all overthink something. So we have work, we have a lot of responsibilities, we have a lot of roles. So this is the natural ability or the habit of mind to overthink. It's completely natural, but if you just keep focusing on it, it will might cause problem, because you'll not be able to focus then. So how to fix this? Instead of when you are just overthinking, just try to take action and write those things which are just making you overthink. Now comes the second habit, which is comparing yourself to others. If you constantly compare yourself to others, you never feel enough in yourself, because there will be someone who always greater than you, most smarter than you. So you don't have to focus on others, you only have to focus on your life. There you know uh, comparison should not be with the other person. Comparison must be with your old self. Compare yourself with your previous version or your previous self, which will help you to grow. Yeah. Now comes the third habit, which is seeking validation from others. When we seek validation from others, this might reflect the thing that you don't feel worthy in yourself. So if you don't know your worth, you kind of seek validation from others, you'll please others, you'll sell yourself short, you don't know your boundaries. So the most important thing here is that you just feel worthy in yourself, don't seek validation from others. Yeah, so this might be holding you back, because emotionally you don't feel enough in yourself. So work on it and you do the things that you love. Now comes the fourth habit, which is all or nothing mindset. So this habit is like you have decided to do something, then let's take the example of fitness. You have started, you just decided that I have to do exercise 7 days straight, but then after doing for 2-3 days, you feel like skipping, and you skip one day, and next day you feel like I have skipped the yesterday exercise. Now I just missed the whole part, like I have to do it from scratch. This is the this is not the good mindset, because you don't have to do things straight. You have to do things majority of the time. Majorly you can do, that would be good. Consistency does not mean you have to do things straight. Consistency is you have to do majority of the time. So now comes the last habit, which is I'll do it later. So you keep postponing things, like suppose you have office work and you came from office and you felt like you felt like tired, and you have some work left, and keep postponing, like I'll do it at night, I'll do it in the morning. So yeah, when you postpone things, then it will give you stress. So don't postpone things. Don't say I'll do it later. Just if it is possible, do it right away. If not, then just do in the near future. So recognizing the habits which are holding you back is the key. Awareness is the key. Try to sit with yourself, take pen and paper, and write a journal those things or those habits which are holding you back. Then you'll understand what are those things that you need to work on, and what are those things that you have to fix. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure that you have just hit the subscribe button, and you share this video with your friends, family, and till then, happy learning. This is Mahima Jha signing off. Thank you.